v1 square over v2 square equals z1 over z2. Okay, again we have fraction on the left side of the equal sign and fraction on the right side of the equal sign. So we have proportion. In order to solve this problem, the best way to solve it is just cross multiply. So I have v1 square z2 equals v2 square z1. Okay, I'm looking for z2. I have z2 on the left side of the equal sign, and it's multiply that z2 to v1 square. I do not want to see v1 square next to z2. That's why I'm going to divide both sides equation by v1 square. Okay, so v1 square and v1 square will cancel out, and I'm going to have z2 equals v2 square z1 over v1 square. And this is the solution to my problem.